What? You didn't even break anything. Hey, what's up everybody? It's a beautiful day. I just got word that Jeff Orta and LaDrib are in town. If you guys don't remember, LaDrib won my Skitzo Experience giveaway. I get to give this to him in person. How cool is that? If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put a link below, but I like to do giveaways and contests and just give back to you guys, give you guys some free gear. I'm also gonna be testing out some Lumineer prototype props nicknamed the Butter Cutters. They're apparently really, really good, so I'm excited about that. So let's go check them out. This is yours.
Damn. This is way too pretty to fly. This is so cool.
You should fly it here.
I'm gonna have to.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to. Dude, it's gonna be your radio.
You too, man.
True. Dude.
Good, long time.
We're gonna fly Skitzo's quad. Kind of terrified. Like,
it's got the pink top.
We're just gonna try and not explode this. This one has John's rates, so I might.
No, I toned it back.
Oh, you toned it
down?
it
way back.
Okay. Like on his rates, full stick is like, and on mine, full stick is like.
A little too sensitive. Crash it.
Don't say woo! Dude.
He crashed my quad.
Are you like...
That's love when you let someone crash your quad.
Okay, so hey guys, we came to the new spot. It's gonna be really cool. I think we're going to fly quadcopters and just generally have a good time.
All right, so what are you gonna do?
We're gonna go up the moon. We're gonna dive down, and then we're gonna like pitch forward.
You're gonna do a Maddie
We're gonna do
revert?
a Matthew stunt. And you gotta go backwards, upside down, into that, then finish the split S.
And then split S down into here.
Yeah. And we're gonna try to avoid.
But what we're gonna really witness is an explosion.
Such little faith.
God, we're gonna die. Oh God.
Almost, dude. Almost. No.
All right, so LaDrib did what we all fear most for newcomers at the office space. Right after I told him not to crash in the fountain, he exploded in the fountain. And it's kind of deep. It's probably about 4 or 5 feet deep. You can't just like reach down and grab it. So I think the pants might be coming off. The pants are coming off. The ultimate shame. It's cold as balls. Yeah. All right, and Stingy is live streaming it. That's what makes it even funnier.
Camden are here. And Sky Blue. For men's health.
Oh, unplug that shit. Unplug that shit. Right. There you go. GoPro Session 5, waterproof. We're good now. My GoPro 4 did not like that water very much. All right, Stingy's gonna try to power loop the stair set, but there's a twist. He's going through that triangle opening. He didn't, he changed his mind. Don't kill me, don't kill me. All right. You see, I see what I do for you guys? I get so close. I risk my own safety. Hey, you did it, kinda. Look at that, risking the lives for the fans. All right, here we go. Yeah! Stingy does things that no one else wants to do.
Basically. Do you want to hold this while I fly? It does all sorts of things. It's a lot of fun.
So Kevin has been talking about doing this for the last 3 times we've been here, and he's finally gonna do it. I'm gonna put myself in danger for you guys to get up close and personal to this trick. So he's gonna S-turn over this bad boy and go down into that hole and exit some kind of staircase, I don't know. Security was just here and they're like, whatever.
You guys are okay.
Yeah.
Strangely.
You guys are all right. You guys are all right.
Here goes.
About it.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Anybody can beatbox though. You just say boots, cats. Boots, cats, boots, cats.
I thought it was boots and pants.
That's a commercial.
Oh, it is.
Boots and pants and boots and pants.
Same thing.
It's just a techno beat. Boots, cats, boots, cats, boots, cats, boots, boots, boots. Okay, alright, ready now.
Did he just do it? Alright, I'm gonna try to get a better recording of this. What? You didn't even break anything. I can't. Oh, okay. Couldn't tell from here. Oh, the Skitzo didn't make it.
The Skitzo didn't make it.
All right, that was the second try.
What?
Is he gonna try it again though? I'm done. That's all you hear.